Hey, what's going on guys, Pog here and welcome to today's video. Today I will be going ahead and unboxing this entire GoPro bundle. I mean, not really a bundle, I got all of these at the same time pretty much, and I thought why not to make a video unboxing them and showing you guys my new gear for my second channel. So, that being said, here I've got two GoPro Suction Cups right over here, or Suction Cups, sorry. I also have two GoPro Hero 5 Blacks over here. I've already opened this one, by the way, because I have a brand new one to open with you guys. I've got three 32GB Kingston, I guess, high-speed micro SD card. As well, I have here a GoPro Hero 6 Black, which will be my main camera, I guess, where these ones will be more of a secondary camera. So that being said, guys, let's go ahead and put the open one aside for now. I've also have opened one of these, so these suction cups have been opened, one of them, so just to see what they are all about. Now we are left with the three micro SD cards, a suction cup, Hero 5 Black, and a Hero 6 Black, okay? So, I'll also kind of compare them together when it comes to what's the difference, how can you tell anything apart. Nothing about, like, video tests right now, but mainly, like, cosmetic or, like, the exterior look differences, okay? So, let's start opening the suction cup first. So here is the box for the GoPro Suction Cup, as you guys can see. Very nice box. It's got this nice looking Volkswagen bus over there. And it says that this one stays put up to 150 miles per hour on cars, boats, motorcycles, and more. So I do have plans to use this stuck onto my car. So obviously I'm not going to be driving 150 miles per hour, but, you know, I'd like it to be assured that most likely it'll be less likely for it to actually fall off. So, here it is. Let's open this up. There we go. I just opened it backwards. Oops. I thought I already opened this so that I don't do anything wrong, but I just kind of made it all fall apart. So this bag is pretty much down there, like so. And then we have the suction cup, which is like this. So here is the suction cup, as you guys can see. It already has a mount for the GoPro. Lock it in place. So pretty much we would have to, like, you know, put this at the right spot, push here, and then lock it down pretty much. Other than that, we also have some adjustability options to get the perfect angle. More adapters over here. Okay, these are separate. We also have a very nice carrying case for the suction cup, which is very cool that this is included in it. So let's put these away. So here I have the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Here is the box. I'm also going to have the Hero 6 side by side. So the Hero 6 Advantage, it films 4K 60 frames per second, where the Hero 5 Black films at only 30 frames per second for 4K. Here's the side of the box, in case you guys want to pause and take a look at the back, and also the side. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the Hero 5 Black. So what we have to do is pretty much grab this little tab here, okay, and then gently kind of pull it. There we go. open it up, pull it out, put the box away, and also the plastic cover thing. So over here we have the GoPro Hero 5 Black. Before I take that out, let's open it up and see what we have in the package. So we've got some GoPro stickers, some manual. Let's put that away. And then inside here we have the battery for the GoPro. We also have a USB-C port to a USB port, looks like. And we also have two sticky mounts, which are actually one of them angled, as you guys can see. Just a little curvy. Nothing else in the box. So let's lock it up. And the way we will take this GoPro out is simply pulling this upwards, okay? And then we will push this by pushing these two together, pinching them together, I guess. We then pull it out, okay? So here it is. By the way, this is the GoPro Hero 5 in its bracket thing. So nicely power button here, like a rubberized. And so in order to take it out from this one, you want to kind of pull this upwards, okay? And then you can just do this. And then pushing the GoPro out, just like so, out of its casing. All right. Then we have the plastic cover here that I need to take out. There we go. Okay, so to put the battery in, it's pretty much here. Just kind of push this down, slide it to the right, and then it opens up. Here's where the micro SD card go. Here we have the battery. Gonna go ahead and insert it. Oops. Gonna go ahead and insert it. We also have this tab over here to the battery to pull it out, like so. All right, so let's lock it in place. There we go. Now it's more secure, or properly secured. Over here we have where we charge the GoPro. So push that down. And there we go. We also have this rubber guard here to protect it from the water in case you take this into the water. There we go. So let's go ahead and see what the setup process looks like. We get a low battery warning. The date, the time, GPS, I'm gonna have it off for now. There's only 2% battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. There we go. Now let's go ahead and unbox the GoPro Hero 6 Black. Gonna peel this blue strip thing. There we go. Pretty much the same packaging. There we go, nothing else. So the first thing obviously we can tell is that the GoPro has colors over here on the Hero 6 compared to the 5. I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. In the box, oh, that manual just went like crazy. Throw you back there. All right. Now we also have two GoPro stickers right over here. more manual stuff. Alright, so we've got here a USB-C to a USB 3, I guess. Interesting. Because usually the USB 3 is the blue, as you guys can see. I don't know, one sec. So this one here on my right side is the one that came with the Hero 5. And I don't know how to say this, but I don't know. Like, this one feels and looks like to be USB 3.0 port, where this one looks to be a 2.0 port. So you guys be the judge. So this came with the Hero 6, this one came with the Hero 5. Then we have the curvy sticky pad mount thing here. Then the normal looking one. And these are 3M, so they shouldn't leave any marks. Then we have the battery. And again, very same like packaging. Oops, let's put that thing back. There we go. So another difference obviously is that the Hero 6 screen has this nice dog picture, I guess with its owner, where this one here has the scuba diving thing. So let's go ahead and take this one out. Whoa. So it pretty much comes out the same way. I'm gonna go ahead and close that. So take this off. Very simple. All right. Gonna push the GoPro out. Now from this angle, which one do you guys think is the GoPro Hero 6 and which one do you think is the Hero 5? Here is the front. So there it is. As you can see, the GoPro Hero 6, which is this one here, has the GoPro with coloring, where this one's more of a gray saying GoPro for the Hero 5. But other than that, they look pretty much identical. So let's go ahead and put the battery in. And now let's take a look at the setup process. And here it is. So same thing with low battery. So this one here has 3% battery. And we obviously have this awesome wide angle lens for the GoPro. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing the GoPro Hero 5, the Hero 6, the suction cups, and obviously showing you guys what kind of SD card I purchased for the cameras itself. So let me know guys what you think. Also check out my second channel, check out my sister's channel. The link is in the description. That being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.